It's Codemas Day 6. Since Christmas is rapidly approaching and the holiday spirit is all around, I wanted to create a website that would show me how much time there is still left until Christmas time. It will be a typical countdown website, painted in Christmas colors, and it will have a timer showing the days, the hours, minutes and seconds left until Christmas. On today's video we will work on the HTML and CSS, and tomorrow we will go ahead and create the JavaScript that will handle the countdown. So let's dive right into the code. I have gone ahead and created a basic HTML template along with some CSS variables for the colors and normalized the body margin. That's all I have done. Let's see how it looks like. It looks like this. Just a white page with an H1, nothing more. So let's fix that and make it beautiful. First I would like to have some background color for the container, so let's name that container. Okay, CSS container. So let's use the greenish color, so background color var greenish. Okay, and I would like the body to span the whole window, so body height 100 VH, oops, like this, and make the container flex display, oops, flex 1, height 100%, and what else? Flex direction column, justify content center, and align items center. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Nice, but why is it not? Oh, that's why. Okay, I like that. Let's go back and make the H1, let's use this goldish color. So color, oops, color var goldish. Okay, nice. So let's now go and create the countdown. Let's make this more readable. Okay, div countdown, and let's create the placeholder for the days. Let's say 18 days. So hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, let's say 8 hours, 15 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's refresh. Nice. So let's see, countdown is display flex, flex direction column, no, row. Okay, and countdown div display flex and flex direction, oops, flex direction column. Okay, that's what I wanted. Let's give them some padding. So padding, let's say 10 pixels. Yeah, let's align them centered maybe. So text align center. Yeah, I like that. Let's go change the text color. So countdown div span. Let's make it this grayish color. So color var grayish, like this. Let's see. Nice. And let's make the other text, not the numbers. Let's make it this reddish color. So color var reddish, like this. So nth of type second. Nice, I like that. This looks nice, but we need some nicer looking fonts. So let's go on fonts.google.com and find us some fonts. Back to our index.html and load the fonts. Let's copy that one too, paste that somewhere to have it. Okay, let's get this one and put it inside the h1. So refresh. Ooh, looks so much better. So the other one, and use it for the text. Okay, let's also change the text from the h1. Time until Christmas. Nice, very nice. So let's change the font size here. For font size, let's make it 50. Let's see what happens. I think I should swap those two colors and make it bold. Also, I see that I have a typo here. So let's go fix that. Let's go first here and hours here. Now let's make this reddish and this one grayish. Okay, and bold. Font weight bold. Save, refresh. I think I like that better now, but the numbers should be a little bit bigger and the text here should be a little bit smaller. So let's go here and make that 70. I think it would be good. And font size, let's say 40, and see how it looks like. Yeah, much better, much better. I think it's enough for today. Our countdown looks goodish, and tomorrow we'll use JavaScript to make the countdown work properly and show the actual remaining time. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you might, because it really helps me. Yeah, see you tomorrow.